Alright, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go straight to colors. It's a new concept which is looks easy, but it's very precise. Okay. So this is a new season. So let's go on colors. We're gonna play three or two colors. So let's gonna play two colors first. Then based on the time we have. All right. So watch. We're gonna win one of these two colors. And watch this. So there's an issue with Phone Ninja. Their network is extremely very is bad. We won. Okay. But now watch. We won this game obviously, but it's not gonna reflect. Okay, till we refresh or we exit and the rest. So we're just gonna play, and I'm gonna be showing you that you have to you have to watch out for this instances, because most times most people message me that most times they play, and it's like they win but it doesn't reflect. It's gonna reflect, but for some times now the server have been having issues where it have not still reflect. Okay, so that it's okay. So we'll have to go back again. I'm still gonna play. Okay, so what? Still gonna play. So um one game has played, which is 701. Okay, which came out 3 plus blue. Okay, this is a no winning color, meaning the next game is gonna be the next two games. So we're just gonna play colors. Then we're gonna play three games. Okay, so the good thing about this formula is that this formula works with perfect draws. Okay, so it's a very precise formula. What it means is that once you have the coming in the right season, okay, the right season, use the right perfect draws. It's easy as ABC. Okay, all right. And the good thing about this is that I'm just showing you. This is just a show that the concept is very easy. I'm not gonna lose a single game in this gameplay, but I'm sure you that you can actually make more money because you make 25%, 26% per game. All right. Watch my next game. Watch the outcome. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see we won this game. All right. But the balance has not reflected. Okay. So this is the observation I'm showing you. So you won't panic, or if you're playing and it's not reflecting, so it will affect the gameplay. So I'm just gonna play to complete it because two games give you 50%. But I'm not playing with a taking play, I'm just playing randomly. I'm just showing you that the concept is very effective. It's a new concept and it's on um on Phone Ninja. So um so the observation here is to so you don't panic if you're making gameplays, okay? So the goalie, you play three, you win one, play three, you win one, play three, you win one. As simple as ABC. You play three, win one, right? So we're using the perfect draws, okay? We're using the perfect draw. So now a beginner will not understand how many I'm using more than one perfect draws, okay? So watch this another win again. You can see, right? But it does not reflect. So this is double win of green green, okay? So it does not reflect, okay? But it's still gonna reflect if we go back and we refresh. Yes, it's still gonna reflect. Okay, so so go again. Okay, all right. Okay, you can see the balance is bouncing back. That's come up a little. Okay, so watch. So this next outcome is 705, which is another perfect draw. So now we can play multiple perfect draw at a time. It's me, but you have to be very precise in your playing. So there's another win again. Okay, is a win. Okay, now you can there are so many ways to go about it. Get if you want to get the strategy, you understand how it works, you understand the basic way on play one perfect draw. So I can play all. So the reason I play for like 4 games on a row is because I'm playing different perfect draws on a row. So let's go back again, see, to show you that the issue now, their signal is very bad. Okay, so um the signal is bad. I'm playing 11:50 p.m. in the night. Okay, and it's still giving issues during the day. It gives an issue. So I'm just telling that. So no matter how much you play with, so um no matter how much you play with, okay, you can see this particular place. You can see the timing 47 won that game. Oh, you can see, but it's still showing loss. So you can see, but it's still gonna refresh your balance. Refresh is still gonna balance gonna update and gonna tell you how much you've won. But sometimes you can go to your, you can see showing you loss, but mind you, from the whole So we're gonna go back. All right. So I'm just showing you as you can see. So these are things you see and people freak out and like, oh, I won, but it didn't bounce like the it's having issues. I'm losing money. No, you're not actually losing money. Okay, the system is lagging, so it's lagging badly. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our gameplays, right? To casino. We're gonna play, right? So watch. So we're gonna continue our gameplays. You can see the balance have come up a little. So I'm just showing you. Okay. Um. All right. So this system on colors. Okay, it's almost like an arbitration system. What I mean arbitration is that you once you use the perfect roles with a stable second plan, you can play up to 20 30 games. Okay, your guarantee of making profit, meaning in every gameplay you play you're gonna make profit. So watch this now, we're gonna win one of this particular play. So now make sure it's the right season. So I'm playing that right season. So what one is one red one as a winning color, right? We will red one. Okay, make using the right season. Now make sure you're using the right sticking plan and also using the right pattern. Okay, all right. So and also make sure you're using the right effect. All these things are well explained. So if you want to get the tutorial and all this stuff is available, just hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay, in the description or WhatsApp number on your screen, you get access to the full-blown information on it. Okay, so we'll go again. All right, so you can see the balance is not reflecting. Okay, so but if you go back, we refresh, you still come back, but don't get sped up. So if you're using taking plan, don't it's still there. Okay, so I just want to just do this to clarify the issue because for some time now, for some months, this has been like sometimes you come in the network is bad, sometimes you come in it's good. Okay, so we won again. I seen it. Won again. I so now we kicked off at 7-0. This is like 9 draw. We're like 10 minutes in, and we've not lost a single game. Okay, but now if you don't understand how it works, you may come in and you play the wrong perfect draw, the wrong season, and you end up losing. Okay, it's that simple. So let's go back. That must reflect. Okay, so let's go. So watch. As you can see this. Watch. Yeah, are you seeing it? Just watch the timing of this game, please. Right. So I just want to clarify because someone asked the question on um this issue of playing. You win normally. If you go to your start, you checked out and you won, but it's not reflecting on your balance. And if you go back to the stuff, it's not reflecting. I reflected again. I can see. Are you seeing it? Just so now. So sometimes you go to your start and you see that you won, but you go back to your bets, you see that you lost the game in the bet. No, it's gonna get updated with time. So if you come back again, maybe next 3 minutes, it's gonna get updated. So that this is a system issue which the Fund Nigeria people have to rectify because this is a big issue. Okay, so if you're new to the system, you're gonna freak out. But I'm just showing you that they're gonna this all these things gonna get it's gonna get like give it time. It's gonna so if you can check out, we've not lost in a single game, but you can see there's some games here that we lost. But if you go back to the stats, we didn't lose the game. Okay, so this one has not reflected. You can see the balance here. So so just want to show you that the system is effective, and so now there's an alternative system which is I'm going to make a video on it, which is the V for Zoom Soccer, the Tornado League. Okay, so in as much as this particular for Nigeria, right, this system with this color pattern I just showed you now, right? Okay, this color pattern. Okay, so let's go back, right? So we're going to play one or two games again. Okay, but I'm just showing you that the color pattern is very effective. Okay, but now there's a system on the Zoom Soccer. All right, I'm going to make a video on it, and also so let's go back now. Okay, let's go back, and you can see some games here. Okay, let's go back. Mind you, let's go back. Let's go down. So let's can see this is the last game we played. Okay, like 3 minutes ago. So you can see. So if we check out the timing, you get to understand that we didn't lose any game actually. It's just the system have not actually updated. Okay, But if you come back again, everything will be rectified. So if you're seeing this issue, you've seen this, don't that doesn't mean you lost the game. Okay, just make sure that you refresh the page constantly so that your balance can update. Because if you go back, you would end up believing that. So that's why you need to get used to the system so that you assume that they fixed the game. Okay, you can see we need like we don't really play with this particular. I'm just showing you that you can see. So now, mind you, 3 games we're playing. Okay, the first one we won plus this 2. You can see the timing. Then I seen this the when I kicked off this gameplay and watch this evening 46, 46, 47. The first game we played, I seen it. Mind you, we didn't do any game more. Then 46, 46, 47. Okay, so you can see the timing. You have to make sure watch the timing so you miss it out. Okay, then the next game I played was the second game, which I didn't lose, but you can see it's showing that we lost the game here. But if you go back to the video, watch it again so that we won that particular gameplay. So so if you're using a bigger capital, so you just a rundown to show you. So we're using a bigger capital. So if I go, you're using a bigger capital, okay, and so regardless of what once you have the right formula and you're making profit, once you refresh the page, your main balance is going to show up that okay, this is how much I won. Okay, so but the whole system is very effective and very accurate. So want to know more about this, all you have to do is to hit me up on WhatsApp the number on your screen, okay, or give me a description for more clarification. I want to get this particular formula. It is available, it is very effective, which is the color system. Is an arbitration color which you're guaranteed to win every single time. So that's for the video, and see you in the next one. Peace.